Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Reza and I am an HSE professional. Right now I am going to discuss further interview questions on permit to work system. So the question is, what are requirements of hot work, welding and cutting? The requirements are gas test, remove all combustible and flammable materials from work area, covering sewers and drains, box up work area, uh, fire watch and fire protection equipment should be there. Fire watch shall stay on location for 30 minutes after the hot work finished. Use appropriate and additional PPEs for job and follow any other instruction provided on permit. When removal of combustible material is not possible, the material shall be protected by using fireproof material or by simply wetting. You can achieve uh, this. Additional PPEs for welding cutting work can include, but not limited to, means welding helmet or welding glasses, respirator, face shield, ear protection, leather gloves, welder apron, sleeves and sports means boot covers. The next question is, what is hazard analysis? Uh, Basically identifying all possible hazards potentially created by an activity or process and takes steps to make job site safe. Processes of uncovering and identifying hazards, those exist in the workplace before they occur, and to eliminate or reduce them to acceptable level. It is an assessment review of work activity conducted during joint site inspection by issuer designated representative and receiver. The individuals of the job, equipment to be used, and the work environment are applicable protective measures are reviewed to make sure they are in place and address and hazards of the work activity. The next question is, what should be done while completing hazard analysis checklist? Concentration should be made toward observing the work area and surrounding. Take action to control any hazard that may be created because of work activity. Discuss experience, lessons learned when performing the same work previously. Process should be repeated whenever an unexpected problem arises. The next question is, what are the number of hazards and controls given in hazard analysis checklist? So there are 20 number of hazards and control given in hazard analysis checklist. The next question is, what if any other hazard arises, if is there other than those mentioned in hazard analysis checklist, those shall be listed on work permit. Next question is, what if there come no in checklist against the mentioned hazard and control? It initiate. The issuer and receiver have to analyze the hazard and develop methods to control hazards and mention these control measures on work permit. The next question is, what minimum safe distance should be kept from overhead power line? Distance to keep from a power line depends upon line voltage. Means up to 50,000 volt, 50 kV, 3 meter or 10 foot is enough. For 5,000 volt to 50,000 volt mean 50 kV to 250 kV, 6 meter or 20 feet is enough. And over 250,000 volts mean over 250 kV, 7.6 or 25 foot is enough. Also minimum distance to keep for an unknown or over or above 250 kV line, energized power line is 25. And the distance to be kept a mean distance from edge of equipment or material to be handled in area. For example, in case of scaffold erection, at any single time, the edge of any scaffold tube being handled must not cross the minimum required distance boundary. If a crane is working near electrical power line, at any single time, its boom, edge of load, sling, or tag line and or any attachment must not come closer than required distance. The next question is release permit is replaced by which permit? Basically, release permit release of hazardous liquid or gas. Saudi Aramco Form 9241 permit is replaced by equipment opening line break. Saudi Aramco Form number 98731 permit. The next question is what are the new permit forms and their number? According to Saudi Aramco working system of permit to work. Equipment opening line break work permit type the color is yellow and the form number is 98731. For hot work permit 98732 is the serial form number and color of the permit is red. For cold work, a blue color permit form is used with number of 98733. And for confined space entry, green form is used with Saudi Aramco form number 98734. So 9873 is common and one is for line equipment opening line break means yellow form. 2 is for hot work red form, 3 the blue form is for cold work and green the fourth form is for confined space entry. This is it. Hope you have understand the conceptual detail the safety. I have focused my answers toward conceptual headlines of the questions. Hope you have understand the answers with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.